I just returned from Sephora and I discovered a new foundation that I absolutely love. And I had to jump on here. I washed the foundation off that I had. I think I was wearing, today I was just wearing like a Maybelline Matte and Poreless, which I really, really like. But I went to Sephora and I wanted a new foundation. It's really hard for me sometimes to match up my foundations because my complexion or my skin tone is so in between. And I was just walking around and I saw HAUS Labs from Lady Gaga, and I said, let me try her. I know that I usually am safe with neutrals, so I went for a warm neutral, and I said, let me try this. And everything here is clean, okay? I'm not cheating or anything like that. And it comes on and it looks, at first it looks really like, I was like, oh God, I don't know about this. But look how it just starts to disappear into my skin. I hate wasting it, but I have to show you guys, look. And the way it goes on, it's so beautiful. So we're gonna put a little bit on here. And like I said, I removed my makeup that I had, my foundation, I should say. And we are just going to take this buffing foundation brush. I like to just buff it in because if you do this, to me, you're kind of rubbing it off. I should probably have my light on. It's on in the back. This is just a really quick video. Look at that. Let me get closer. And, you know, just make sure you do your neck and everything. I'm going to put a little more on. I am not a makeup professional, and they would probably not want me to put it on the brush. But look at that. I just really like it. And so I make sure I blend good. I'm looking, I always use this to get a full, look at that. Buff, 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 buff. I really, really like it. And I hope it doesn't come off. Hold on. I'm going to use a little light that I have. Look at that. I just really, look at that. I really, really like this. And let's see here. I am going to put a little concealer with it. This is the Triclone. I don't really like this, but I'm using it up. I got it just to try. So, a few months back, and I won't rebuy it. I'm not saying it's not good, It's just not for me. I don't really care to have it. Oh, why am I doing that? I'm just gonna put just to show you guys, and I'm not really putting like powder on, because I want you to see. Look, I just really like it. I like it so much. And this is 370. Yeah, 370 medium neutral. Probably can't see that, but it's medium neutral Haus Labs. I'm really a fan right now. I really like it. And the thing is, you want to make sure you buff the foundation out. I hate seeing lines on faces, and I do see them. I hate that. I always feel so bad for people because it's like they didn't quite do it. I'm going to use a little bit of the Laura Mercier. It's like in a little tint, so I'm going to use a little bit of that. Just to kind of do this. Just a little bit here. This is how I get things to look a little smooth. You know, I'm 57 and 57 fabulous, and I love the condition that my skin is in. Took a lot of decades to keep it this way, so I get to have fun with trying different things, trying different foundations and everything. I am also going to, this is the Charlotte Tilbury, the airbrush flawless finish. I really like that, so I do a little bit, just a little. I don't put it all over. Now I also back that up with a little bronzer. Let's see here. And because my skin tone is so neutral, it tends to look more yellow than I want it, especially on camera. So I do what a lot of people don't do, is I kind of put bronzer all over. And it doesn't change the foundation. Not for me, it doesn't. Just makes everything look nice and kind of natural as possible. Yeah, let me see here. I inherited darkness around my mouth, which a lot of ladies have, and that's okay. That's what makes us us, and the beauty comes from when we just kind of balance it out. I am not a makeup guru, but I love makeup, and I just wanted to share this Haus Labs with you guys because it's awesome. I really like it. And I don't always put tons of mascara on, but I like to, today I'm using the Dior. I really like it. Look, I'm gonna put a little more because I did pop powder all over. just a little. And don't forget to do underneath. Sometimes people don't do their bottom lashes. Do not forget that. All right, so yeah, but I really like the HAUS Labs. I'm a fan, and I'm gonna try more of her line. Just a little gloss. I'm not going anywhere. But yeah, you guys, there you go. I just wanted to share today something new I discovered. I've always wanted to, and I walked into Sephora today, and this is called Triclone Skin Tech Foundation Fondant. So I guess she has different foundations, but this is what I will continue to get. So yeah, there you go. I really like it. I didn't put a lot on my face either, and I really like what it's doing in the mirror. Let me turn this light down. You can see. So I just turned that light off. Look. You see? I really like it. So good job, Gaga. I love it. And you guys just give it a try, you know. I'm going to be trying different foundations. I love my NARS. I love the Charlotte Tilbury. Her Flawless. Love that. And I love, you know, my Maybelline Fit. It's like matte and poreless. Because the caramel color that my skin is, when I find lines that work for me and concealers that work for me, I kind of stick with them. But I wanted to add to it, and I'm so glad that I found her. So just wanted to do a quick video today, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And especially, you know, the more darker skinned women, we need to know these lines have completely embraced the darker tones. I saw so many colors in her foundation and, you know, in her products, and it's just awesome, as are most of these. So, you know, back in the 80s and the early 90s, I had to mix my foundations, and it was really kind of ridiculous. I didn't wear a lot of foundation, but sometimes I wanted to, and I had to take a dark one, and then I had to get a light one, like a, you know, and mix them, and they weren't necessarily, and so I had to play with it a lot just to make it work. And when I was modeling, they would have because I was like, do not make me look washed out, you know, don't try to make me look super light, because that's not what my skin is. And so they would have 3 and 4 of the makeup artists, and it turned out good. But now I don't have to do that anymore. I just love this Charlotte Tilbury Plumpgasm. Boy, look at that. And I've always had those skinny lips, and you know, I don't have to have that anymore. So there we go, you guys. You know, thank you for sitting with me and just taking a minute to see what I enjoy. You know, this is my little Charlotte Tilbury drawer. So yeah, but thank you so much, and wherever you're watching from, I really appreciate you. I really do. You know, so just be careful, and thank you for watching. You guys have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world. And I thank you again. You take care. Bye.